Professional AI users now face a direct choice between the established industry standard and a highly publicized premium challenger. This comparison card defines the financial stakes. ChatGPT Plus sets the baseline at $20 a month, while Super Grok asks for a $30 monthly subscription. Marketing claims aren't enough to justify a 50% price hike. We have to look past the pitch and run a direct, on-screen workflow audit. By the end of this breakdown, you will have a definitive decision matrix to determine exactly which subscription belongs in your daily tech stack. In terms of standard navigation, both platforms share nearly identical core chat mechanics. For basic text operations and organizing files into folders, like the Projects tab shown here, the daily experience is highly comparable. The divergence begins with visual generation. This high-fidelity rendering of a futuristic city demonstrates ChatGPT's current advantage in producing detailed, conceptual static imagery. Grok counters with motion. Inside its Imagine tab, the interface includes a dedicated Make Video button, allowing users to generate rapid video concepts from scratch. If your workflow requires top-tier static images, OpenAI remains the more capable tool. If you need rapid video prototyping, Grok takes the lead. For writing, we look at how the tools handle extended output. This split screen in ChatGPT shows a generated script cleanly housed inside an artifact window, where it successfully maintains complex formatting rules. Grok routinely fails this specific task. When generating long-form documents, it frequently drops its formatting and leaves incomplete placeholders in the text. We see a similar gap in development. This is the OpenAI Codeex application, pointing directly to a local Python directory, allowing the AI to scan and manipulate your files right on your machine. Grok relies on terminal-based build mechanics. This requires more manual input and creates more friction for knowledge workers trying to iterate on existing code. When the workflow shifts to extended writing projects or local directory management, ChatGPT remains the more effective option for sustained deep work. Turning to external connections, this app directory illustrates ChatGPT's mature third-party ecosystem, allowing it to plug directly into tools like Gmail. However, ChatGPT cannot directly scrape or read a YouTube link. It relies on the video title to guess at the content, leading to frequent errors. Switching to Grok, this highlighted URL string shows it extracting transcript data directly from the video link. Because Grok pulls directly from the transcript rather than guessing, these generated summary points reflect the actual content, bypassing hallucination errors. Grok also leverages its deep connection to social data. This feed shows the interface pulling live news updates directly from the X platform news cycle. For professionals who must monitor fast-changing news cycles or extract raw video transcripts, Grok is the necessary tool. Looking at the backend architecture, notice this Memory Updated badge in ChatGPT. This mature context memory allows you to maintain ongoing projects across multiple days of discussion. Grok's memory is in a basic beta state. To compensate, you use this personalization menu to adjust the response style slider, which sets a customized baseline tone for future outputs. For usage limits, this dropdown shows ChatGPT's explicit cap of 160 messages every 3 hours. Grok uses a hidden opaque credit system instead. When you hit that hidden usage cap in Grok, you receive this error message. To continue, you must open the menu and manually switch over to the fast model. Finally, we have to consider content filters. Standard corporate AIs enforce strict guardrails, which can lead to sanitized or evasive answers on sensitive topics. This output demonstrates Grok's alternative approach. When asked about public manipulation, it provides a direct answer without filtering the response through a professional safety tone. For users who find standard safety filters too restrictive, Grok functions as an honest, anti-woke alternative. This verdict matrix summarizes the hard data. ChatGPT Plus is the foundational choice. For $20, its static imagery, artifacts, and local directory management make it standard. Super Grok is specialized, justifying its premium only for rapid video generation, real-time news scraping, and uncensored output. Review your own daily bottlenecks against these results. Only pay the extra $10 if your workflow depends on those 3 specific conditions.